In the last 2 years, some of the world's well-known celebrities have unapologetically shown support for the NFT and crypto craze. Supermodels like Kate Moss and Kim Kardashian, and artists like Snoop Dogg, Justin Bieber, and Steve Aoki all provide straight-up support for NFTs. On the Hollywood scene, Matt Damon got wrapped up in an extensive campaign to promote the crypto industry on a large scale. Hey, and welcome to this channel. Today, we will look at the impact of celebrities on the crypto and NFT market and on the controversies that have arisen as a consequence. Is it all good or bad? Let's take a look. Many celebrities, in hindsight, share an almost fanatical interest in art pieces, especially the ridiculous expensive ones. They probably have their mansion walls decked with many ancient paintings and artifacts. This type of fascination may extend to how much they appreciate digital art too. And it is not just about buying digital art for themselves, but also making them instead. Celebrity NFTs are often painted as a way to give back to the community, even as they make tons of money from them. Their motive does not exactly matter since they have an undeniable impact on the digital marketplace. It is an understatement to say that their adoption of the digital economy also opens up a great investment opportunity for the masses. So you've got what is now called celebrity NFTs. These are non-fungible tokens created to personify superstars' achievements or iconic status in any aspect of entertainment and sports. They are either created, owned, or simply promoted by celebrities. As it is, the most highly anticipated celebrity NFT that is coming up in 2023 is the Cristiano Ronaldo NFT collection. It will be a lasting digital reminder of how great a GOAT he was in his soccer or football playing career, however you prefer to call the sport. You will probably get an animated NFT in GIF format, striking his great pose and a crowd screaming, "Sue!" Spoilers? Ordinarily, the NFTs would just be another random NFT, but the superstar's profile significantly raises the profile and acceptance of the assets. For some, NFTs are a good way to deepen their connection with their followers or fans. Snoop Dogg's NFTs reflect how things were during the earlier part of his musical career. His trademark style is now being brought into the digital sphere. Aside from that, celebrities can use cryptocurrencies and NFTs to donate thousands of dollars to charitable organizations. A perfect example is Ellen DeGeneres, who sold NFTs to raise $33,000 to fund a food relief organization. Meals on Wheels also benefited from Paris Hilton's donation of her earnings from her own NFTs to support struggling seniors. These are prime examples of celebrities who actually mean well by funding important social projects. On the other hand, other celebrities consider NFTs a profit-generating asset and are thus willing to invest in them. They publicly support the projects in the hopes that they will boost the value of the NFTs or cryptocurrencies they already own. Elon Musk is known today as the father of Dogecoin for the outlandish loyalty he showed toward the growth of Dogecoin. It ultimately led to a rise in the value of Dogecoin on multiple occasions, which made many investors millionaires. This may have set a precedent for investors like you and me to doggedly follow our favorite celebrities in search of the profits we might get. Even though these celebrities confess that they have the noblest reasons for being involved in crypto or NFTs, we will be wise to remember that they are people like us, maybe a lot richer, and they do not necessarily invest their life savings. They do not know all, and neither are they that benevolent. Some have supported crypto and NFT projects that ended up being scams or crashed, and many investors lost their money. You are responsible for making judicious decisions about your investment choices in NFTs or cryptos, even if they are promoted by the biggest investors in the world. Matt Damon uncharacteristically shows up on your screen, teaching you how investing in crypto is like climbing Mount Everest. Actress Reese Witherspoon also introduced millions of her Twitter followers to advertise NFT avatars, crypto wallets that will become the norm in the future. Celebrities are now pushing the adoption of cryptocurrencies the way people jump on viral dance trends like TikTok's Silhouette Challenge. Suddenly, they are all wary that our world could move from real life to virtual platforms, and it will spread to the very corners of the world. All these are not bad in essence, but the fact is that the crypto and NFT markets are extremely volatile. It is a trademark of the industry. When swings happen, it affects all and sundry. Not too long ago, America's greatest NFL player said he was retiring and started promoting NFTs. He invested heavily in NFTs and the crypto industry. He and his wife Gisele Bündchen reportedly invested about $62.5 million in cryptocurrencies, FTX. They both did an ad for the exchange a while back in an open endorsement. They owned significant equity in the FTX before the Sam Bankman-Fried gaffe now puts them at risk of losing their investment if they have yet to lose it. If I remember correctly, Brady said he'd return to the NFL. It begs the question, did he foresee the loss of his NFT and crypto investments? On top of that, he could face an indictment for misleading investors. Joining him in the line of fire is most people's favorite Kardashian, Kim Kardashian, formerly West. It sparked my interest when I heard about her involvement in advertising for a cryptocurrency company, as it probably did yours. Apparently, she was not in on the project alone, as Floyd Mayweather Jr. and Paul Pierce, a basketball player, were sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission for misleading investors. Kardashian, for her part, used the most potent weapon in her arsenal to push the agenda. I don't know what is on your mind, but that woman is an Instagram powerhouse. She marketed a project called Ethereum Max on her page earlier in 2022, and she made it appear as though she had invested in the project. The SEC thought this to be misleading and pushed through their investigations. It later came out that she was merely doing a job she got paid for. If I am correct, Ms. Kardashian earned $200,000 to promote the scheme, but did not disclose that vital part in her earlier comments about the promotion. That little fact would have made a lot of difference and saved her from the legal hustle that followed. Some would say she deserved it, but she should have known better. Many people lost their investments in the project, and the investors collectively sued Kim K and other celebrities that partook in the promotion. The SEC also drilled in on account of deception on her part, as investors claimed they were convinced that she also invested her money in it. In the end, she settled the case out of court with the SEC, and she was fined $1.26 million, a hefty fee to pay for a job worth $200,000. That wasn't all. She also promised to promote any NFT or cryptocurrency for the next 3 years. This instance is more like the SEC's warning to celebrities who know little to nothing about projects they suggestively market to investors, especially when they do not share a passion for them. As she was charged that sum, it might mean little to her, given that she has a high net worth from her business and family wealth. She also has the level of influence that would help her recover her losses in a matter of days. Amidst these red flags, there has been no real outright denunciation of the crypto or NFT market. Mark Beckman, marketing professor at NYU, pointed out that the incursion of celebrities into the crypto industry is a signal pointing at the legitimacy of the projects. It is also the point at which the general public becomes interested in investing in projects involving their favorited celebrities. So celebrities need to be educated about this volatile and sometimes dangerous market so they do not cause unsuspecting investors to go broke while following their lead. Don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, press the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload another interesting video. See you next time.